hear him speak again. Okay. Yes. Go.
Good morning, colleagues.
Uh-huh.
What we want to demonstrate now is how we can take money from our ATM without having any card in our hands. We want our customers' journey to continue to improve so that our customer don't have to get frustrated because you don't have your card. Gone are those days when if you forget your wallet at home, you are screaming. No, not anymore. So what we need to do in such a situation, we want to show you that you are there with your thumb, and the moment you have your thumb, you can get your cash. So you come to UBA ATM, tap on the screen anywhere you like on the screen. It gives you the option. You see biometrics, pay code. Pay code is another cash out without card and so on. But press biometric in this case. Do you want to check balance inquiry or you want to take cash? Let's take cash. You put on cash withdrawal, and then you put your thumb right here for 5 seconds. You put your thumb on the scanner on the ATM for 5 seconds. Once you do 5 seconds here, you take off your hand, press proceed, and then put your account number, the account you want to debit, because you may have several accounts. You have to choose the account you want to debit. So once you do that, you press, and here it is, displays for you the cash. Do you want 20,000, 15,000, 10, the options. If you want more than that, you can press others so that you can do bulk withdrawal. So in this case, I press 20. You ask me whether I want receipt or not. I say I don't want receipt. If you want receipt, you press yes. So the next other thing to do is to wait and pick your cash. Nothing else. No PIN number, no other further inquiries, because the moment you put your thumb there on the scanner, it has authenticated you, it has spoken to NIBS, it has taken all the details and confirmed that is the owner of the account that is withdrawing money. Here is the cash. Thank you, guys. I'm sure our customers will be happy with this improved service. We are coming with more options. We will continue to improve the journey until we get to where the customer just comes to ATM and just do this and you take your money and go. We'll get to that level one day. Thank you, guys.